Hi, this is Teacher Nicole at Literacy Pittsburgh. This is a video with some new words about spring. Spring. So, I live in Pennsylvania in the United States. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Now it is April. Now it is spring. Spring. In spring, many people do extra cleaning in the house. Maybe wash windows, clean the carpets, wash the curtains, clean the yard. We say spring cleaning. Spring cleaning. Do you do spring cleaning? Okay, this is a word about the weather. How is the weather? It is breezy. Breezy. Breezy means soft, gentle wind. Breezy. Do you like breezy weather? I like breezy weather. Okay. In spring, sometimes we have a little rain. It's light, not heavy rain. We say showers. Showers. Light rain, showers. There is an expression. April showers bring May flowers. April showers bring May flowers. I like flowers. Do you like flowers? Another word about the rain, drizzle. Drizzle. Drizzle is very light rain. Very light rain. Little bit of rain. Maybe you don't need umbrella. It's only a drizzle. It's only a drizzle. After the rain, we get puddles. Puddles. Many children like to jump in puddles. They like to jump in puddles. Do your kids like to jump in puddles? Okay, let's talk a bit about flowers. Blooming. When the flower opens, we say, "The flowers in my garden are blooming." They are blooming. Right now, I have some flowers in my garden that are blooming. And the trees have blossoms. Okay? Blossom is a flower on a tree, usually a fruit tree, maybe a plum tree or a cherry tree or a pear tree or an apple tree has blossoms. Blossoms. Okay. Some flowers have pollen. Pollen. Pollen is dust that comes off of flowers. Bees carry the pollen and new flowers grow. Pollen. Pollen. In spring, we see a lot of pollen. Some people get sick from pollen. Maybe they have a runny nose, achoo, sneezing, itchy eyes, or coughing. We say seasonal allergies. Seasonal allergies. I have seasonal allergies. The pollen makes me achoo, sneeze. The pollen gives me itchy eyes. I have seasonal allergies. Okay, tulips. Tulips are a flower. Tulips bloom in early spring. Remember, bloom. Tulips open and bloom in early spring. I like tulips. I have tulips in my yard. Do you like tulips? Another flower is daffodils. Daffodils. Daffodils also bloom in early spring. I like daffodils. I have daffodils at my house right now. My daffodils are blooming. Bird's nest. Bird's nest. Some people say that a bird's nest at your front door is a symbol of good luck. Bird's nest. Bunnies. Baby rabbits are called bunnies. Chicks. Baby birds are called chicks. Do you have bunnies or chicks at your house? I see bunnies sometimes. I see chicks sometimes in the spring. Okay, our next word is spring break. Spring break. Most schools close for a week in the spring. Many families go on vacation. College students might go to the beach. Spring break. And finally, spring fever. Spring fever is a feeling of energy and excitement after the long winter. Spring fever is a desire to go outside and enjoy life. Do you have spring fever? I have spring fever. Now the sun is out, the weather is warm and breezy. I want to go outside. I want to take walks. I want to feel the nice weather. I have spring fever. Thank you for watching.